guys, I am Madhusri and I am back with all of you guys, and you are watching Madhusri's Creation. And if you are new in my channel and watching this face for the first time, I am Madhusri, and please, before watching this video, take a moment and click the red subscribe button underneath this video and also hit the bell icon to get notification every single time I post a new video. Now in today's video I'm gonna talk to you guys about my top favorite moisturizers that each and every skin type people can use, no matter what skin type you have, no matter if you are a girl or if you are a boy, both the people can use these moisturizers, especially for oily skin girls or for oily skin boys. Their moisturizer should be water based and less thick, and their moisturizer should be water resistant kind of thing, because we are oily and acne prone skin people, and we tend to break out a lot if we use a wrong product on our skin. So let's get started. My first and the cult favorite, and obviously my personal favorite moisturizer is this one. This is from Clinique and it is Clinique Moisture Surge, and this is the older one I guess. Yes, because नया इसका अभी लॉन्च हुआ है, बट यही वाला बॉटल मैं अभी तक खत्म नहीं कर पाई. यह है क्लिनिक मॉइस्चर सर्च 72 आवर्स ऑटो रिप्लेनिशिंग हाइड्रेटर, ऑटो रिहाइड्रेट 72 आवर्स. इसका पैकेजिंग, बाहर का पैकेजिंग ऐसा आता है, छोटू सा बॉक्स है, एंड आई गेस दिस इज 15 ml का बॉटल. एंड लुक हाउ क्यूट द पैकेजिंग इज, लुक हाउ मच आई हैव यूज्ड इट. इसको ओपन करने के बाद look, I have already hit the pan, and it's extremely lightweight. It is extremely soft. It does not make your skin greasy or oily. Nothing will happen, and it does provide 72 hours hydration to your skin. So don't worry if you are going outside, and it always also works well as your primer. Before makeup you also can use this as a primer, because it blurs out your pores and it also hydrates your skin so much, it's crazy. Dry people girl will love it, oily people girl will love it, because it's very thin and gel like texture. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. I'm gonna taking little amount of it. It's so lightweight and so gel based, and I'm gonna make this happen. You guys can see now it's vanished and it's absorbed, and it's extremely moisturizing, extremely soft and velvet kind of texture. And yeah, this is my favorite, and this is my first preference, and I highly recommend it to all of you guys, and I will leave the link of these products in the description box below so that you guys can check it out. My second favorite and my recent favorite moisturizer is this one. This is the outer packaging, and this is the Chia Seed Advanced Vitamin B12 Hydro Cream. And I'm gonna show you the application also of this, क्योंकि मैंने इसको recently लिया है, and it is also very lightweight. It's pink in color, you guys can see, and it's so lightweight, and you guys can see so lightweight. You just need the tiniest amount of it, and इतना बड़ा टब है ये, तो पता नहीं मुझे साल भर चलने वाली है, क्योंकि मुझे तो बहुत ही कम अमाउंट में लगती है. एंड इसका कितना ml है, ये है 50 ml का बॉटल, एंड आई एम यूजिंग दिस फ्रॉम past 2 months, and yeah, I am loving it. And this is, and I highly recommend it to all of you guys. If even dry skin type people also guys can use it, oily skin girls, you guys also can use it, because ये ऐसा एक cream है, it also helps to reduce your acne also. So don't worry, it's this Clinique one is non-comedogenic, this one is also non-comedogenic. It will not clog your pores at all, it will not cause more breakouts for you. If it doesn't suit you, then it will not break out. It can give you some irritation or some rashes, but it will not give you any kind of breakout situation, because these are not comedogenic products. These are non-comedogenic products, and these I guess all these products never ever can give you guys any kind of irritation for your skin, because these products are amazing. And yeah, you guys can check it out. My next favorite moisturizer must be this one. This one is also from the Face Shop, and this is the White Sheet Brightening Lotion, and this is also brightening moisturizer. And I am in this मैं इसका एकदम छोटू सा साइज ही ली थी क्योंकि टेस्ट करनी थी, क्योंकि ऑयली एक्ने प्रोन स्किन है गाइज. यू गाइज कैन अंडरस्टैंड आई कांट यूज द होल थिंग इफ आई एम नॉट श्योर कि इट विल वर्क फॉर मी और नॉट. सो मैंने इसका छोटू सा लिया था. एक्चुअली ट्रेवल साइज एक किट है जो जिसमें टोनर आता है, ये आता है, एंड इसी का सीरम का वेरिएंट भी आता है. सो मैंने सीरम पूरा ख़त्म कर ली है एंड आई एम गोना रिपर्चेज इट फॉर श्योर बिकॉज दिस इज अमेजिंग. And I'm gonna repurchase it in winter because that the time I need more moisturization for my skin, so I'll buy it for sure. बट अभी तक लोशन एंड टोनर बचा हुआ है जो कि मैं अभी भी यूज़ कर रही हूँ. एंड दिस लोशन इज़ अमेजिंग यू गाइज. इफ़ यू नीड हाइड्रेशन, इफ़ यू नीड दैट ग्लो, इनर ग्लो, इफ़ यू नीड, if your skin is dull and dry, this is for you guys. Go give it a watch, give it a try. It will not regret you, I promise. And my last recommendation is No Wonder is aloe vera gel, because we are oily skin girls and we love aloe vera gel, using on our skin, using on our hair. So this is my favorite one, current favorite one. This is also from the Face Shop, Jeju Aloe 99% pure aloe vera gel. This is a 300 ml tub, and how big the tub is you guys can see. And this is also lightweight, कोई भी added color नहीं है, कोई भी fragrance नहीं है. And I have a complete review on this particular product. I leave the link of that video in the description box below and in the I button. You guys can check it out. And this is also a very good moisturizer for all of you guys in summer. Oily skin girl, you will love it. Dry skin girl, you will also love it, but you need more hydration. So after using this, you might need any of these moisturizers. And yeah, you guys can use it as your primer, or you guys can make DIYs with it. And yeah, I love it. This is it for today's video, guys. And if you liked it, then please give it a big fat thumbs up, and also comment down below what other videos you want me to do. And yeah, घर पे रहना, stay safe and stay healthy. Lots of love. Bye.